Hi, Angela here with SplitterSplatPreKCoop, and today in this video we're going to talk to you about how to make your DIY dies. So at this point you should probably have a box here. It's just a little gift box that's a 2x2. It's white. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and put that together. Okay, and when you do, it'll look kind of like this. You'll also have a sheet of stickers, these little square stickers here. And so you're going to decorate those stickers however you want, right? So be as creative as you want to be. Snip, snip, snip. And then once your box is assembled, you'll add them to the faces of your box. And you'll get something kind of like these right here. Here's some examples. So this is actually our dinner die. We have another video explaining how that works, but that's a fun dinner game to get some conversation started. These are actually our story die. Or dice, I should say. They go in a set, and there's another video on that as well if you'd like to know how those work. I also have some examples of just do it yourself, right? So you take basically this blank sheet here. You can do colors, you can do numbers, you can do shapes. This one's kind of a fun one we like to use because it's not only numbers, it's also shapes and shape sizes, right? So if you make 2 of these and you do some sort of Dice Wars game where, say, whoever rolls the biggest shape wins, right? Or, you know, some sort of color version of that or some sort of number version of that. Those dice go a really long way. But again, sky's the limit. And you don't have to use these particular stickers. You can always use your own stickers or just draw directly on it. And that's pretty much it. Super easy. The only other thing I was going to mention was if you pair it with your game card, you can make up your own games, and it's super duper fun. And so we also have a video about how to utilize these game cards as well. All right, that's it. Talk to you later. Bye.